Keep cleaning products out of reach and never apply them while children or pets are present in the room. When choosing products, prioritize those with clear ingredient lists and lower toxicity, such as soap-based or plant-derived cleaners, and always read the label for proper dilution and contact time so residue is minimized. Use gloves and eye protection yourself. And ventilate the area by opening windows and running a fan toward an exterior opening for at least 15 minutes after cleaning to reduce airborne fumes. Clean small areas at a time so you can fully rinse and wipe surfaces with plain water after the contact time to remove any lingering chemical traces that could transfer to skin or paws. For floors and low surfaces that children crawl on and pets frequent, use a two-step method. Apply the cleaner as directed, then follow with a mop or cloth dampened only with water to remove residue. Store all products in a high-locked cabinet or a secured box, and keep single-purpose products like drain cleaners in original containers with labels intact so you do not confuse contents later. Consider switching to single-ingredient alternatives for routine tasks such as white vinegar diluted 1:1 with water for glass and baking soda paste for grout, but do not mix vinegar with bleach or products that contain sodium hypochlorite because toxic gases can form. 3 common mistakes are using too much product, failing to rinse surfaces, and leaving children or pets unattended during drying time. Using excess cleaner does not improve results and increases residue risk, so measure and dilute exactly as the label directs. Not rinsing allows residues to remain accessible, so always wipe down and repeat with plain water until the surface feels neutral to the touch. Leaving children or pets nearby while product fumes are present exposes them to inhalation and contact hazards. So actively exclude them from the area and only return them after full ventilation and surface rinsing. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to home projects and safety upgrades. We also host a discussion community where members share real experiences, local tips, and practical cleaning and safety strategies for families with children and pets.